So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that we have to find the integral solution of this equation, and equation is x square times y minus 1 plus y square times x minus 1 is equal to 1. So we have to find the integral solution of this equation. So let's see how we can solve this. So I write that equation here. So initially I assume like x is equal to u plus 1 and y is equal to b plus 1. So you see the benefit of this later. So if you replace x by u plus 1, so it will become like u plus 1 whole square. And here you can replace y by v plus 1, so it will become like v. Here you replace y by v plus 1, so it will become like v plus 1 whole square. And if you replace x by u plus 1, here it will become like u, and it is equal to 1. Now there are two square, so you can open both of them. So it will become like u square plus 1 plus 2u times v, and v square plus 1 plus 2v times u is equal to 1. So we have these. So now you multiply like v inside, so it will become like u square v plus 2uv, and you multiply u inside, so it will become like v square u plus 2uv is equal to 1. So now you see one term is 2uv and one term is 2uv, so this will become like 4uv. Another term we have like u square v plus v square u. So from here you can take uv common and it will become like uv times u plus v. So one is this. So we taken this term and this term. So the remaining is one this v and one is u. So it will become like u plus v, and it is equal to 1. So now if you take like these two terms here, uv and uv common. So you can take uv common. So it will become like u plus v plus 4, and here it is u plus v, and it is equal to 1. Now what you do next is you add 4 both sides. So if you add 4 here and 4 here, so it will become like u plus v plus 4, and here 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Now you see this u plus v plus 4 and u plus v plus 4 both are common. So you can take both of them common, and it will become like uv plus 1 is equal to 5. So now we simplify that equation from the first to this step. So now you see, initially we assume x like u plus 1 and y like v plus 1. So if x and y are integers, so u and v are also integer. So what are the different possibility? So 5 is a prime number. So what are the different possibility? Like this will become like 5 and this will become like 1. The first term will become like minus 5 and this will become like minus 1. It will become like 1 and 5 and minus 1 and minus 5. So there are only 4 possibilities. So if we take this possibility, like first term will become 5 and second term will become 1. So for this term to become 5, what is the u plus v value we required? It is equal to 1, because 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. And this term to become 1, what is the value of uv we required? Uv value we required 0. Second case is minus 5 minus 1. So what are the u plus v value we required? Minus 9. And the second term to become minus 1, uv value is minus 2. Third possibility is 1 comma 5. So for first term to become 1, what is the u plus v value we required? Minus 3. And second term to become 5, uv value is 4. The fourth possibility is minus 1 minus 5. So the first term will become minus 1, so u plus v value we required as minus 5, and second term will become minus 5, so uv value we required minus 6. So there are these 4 possibilities. So now you see these this equation, like we call that both of these term as second equation, and like these pairs, they don't have integral solution. You can solve for them, but they don't have integral solution. So the integral solution come from only this and this. So integral solution come from only first and fourth pair. You can solve for second and third, but you don't get integral solution. So now from here you can solve for u and v. So what are the different possibility? Here possibility is 0 comma 1 and 1 comma 0. You can easily see that. And what are the different possibility here? So here are possibility minus 6 comma 1 and 1 comma minus 6. So there are these 4 solution we are getting integral solution, but they are the value of u comma v, but we require the value of x comma y. So initially we assume like x is equal to u plus 1 and y is equal to v plus 1, and this is our solution in terms of u comma v. So you just add 1 in both x and in both u and v, so you get the value in terms of x and y. So it will become like 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1, and here if you add 1 both sides, so it will become like minus 5 comma 2 and 2 comma minus 5. So these are the four integral solution we have for that equation. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. We will meet in next.